How to fix Steam games slow download speed. Now in this video, I'm going to be just showing you the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this concern. So first things first is open up your Steam client, and at the top left portion of your screen, just simply click on Steam and then go into your Steam settings. Now in here, just go into downloads and then simply click this option that says clear cache. This will clear the downloading or starting ups that is currently ongoing on your Steam client. Clear this cache, then Steam will automatically restart by itself. Next thing to do is to go into your Windows icon, type in Control Panel, access it. Then in here, choose on Network and Internet. Now click Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, right click on your current network and then go to Properties. Choose on Internet Protocol version 4, Properties again, and then here just simply choose the second option, which is use the following DNS server addresses, which is going to be 8888 and then followed by 8844. Click on OK, restart your PC and restart your Steam as well. And that's it. That's how you fix Steam games slow download speed.